Did you know you can add extra zoom button directly to the camera screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This makes it faster to switch between different zoom level when taking photos or recording videos. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the Camera Assistant app. Under the Lens and Zoom section, tap Zoom Shortcut. Here you will see 3 zoom shortcut options: 2 times, 10 times, and 100 times, with each option has an on-off switch next to it. By default, the 2 times and 10 times shortcut are already enabled. Simply turn on the shortcut you want to use. As the example, let's turn all the zoom shortcut on. Now open the camera app. You will notice that the selected zoom shortcut appear above the shutter button. You can quickly switch to that zoom level just by tapping the shortcut. For example, tapping 2 times will instantly zoom the camera to 2 times, while tapping 10 times will jump directly to 10 times zoom. As a note, this shortcut works when using the rear camera, both for taking photos and recording videos. If you want to adjust the zoom more precisely, you can long press the zoom shortcut bar and then slide to select the zoom level you want. This feature makes it much easier to access common zoom level quickly while using the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.